Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I were on the world's newest and largest ship, the Star of the Seas. We are on deck 8. We are at the forward elevators, and there are both cabins and public spaces. We're going to look at the public spaces in this particular video. Now, this is a 360-degree video, so you can use those arrows that are in the left-hand corner to change the aspect of the video. You can look left, you can look right, look up, look down, zoom in, zoom out, okay? And do us a huge favor when you're done. Let us know what your favorite part of this deck is. Now, we are at the Lincoln Supper Club area, but there's some restrooms back here. In case you need to use a restroom, there's men's, women's, accessible, children's bathrooms back there. And here is the Lincoln Park Supper Club. This is an upscale or specialty dining. It is very exclusive sort of dining in here. They have music that plays. Really neat experience. If you want sort of a very small kind of dining experience. It's not sort of a revolving door kind of thing. It's kind of a show, if you will. And so I believe they just have specific seatings, but a real nice club in here, right? And they do play music, as you saw from the stage. The Lincoln Park Supper Club. Now let's go take a look at Central Park, which is the only other public space here on deck 8. We love the Central Park concept. Now we're going to mostly try to stay to the right. Over here to our right, excuse me, is your Azumi hibachi and sushi. Azumi in the park. You can get downstairs to the Royal Promenade through here. Sushi and ice cream right here. They're kind of unique. As I was saying, though, if you want to get down to the Royal Promenade from here, there's a set of stairs right there. Now, it's all real greenery, guys. It's not fake trees, fake grass. It's all real. Upper stage is the Pearl here. It's not completely flat out here. I mean, it's flat to roll. There are no steps, but kind of up and down just a little bit. Over here is your loos. I don't know if it's open, but we'll go in. No, they do have it closed. So I have some music playing in there as well. Nice bar. Nice place to come out in the evening. Loos. Now this leads to the aft elevators and stairs. We will go in here for just a second because you can get to the Surfside area. Even though that's on deck 7, there's access from deck 8 right through these doors here. And then you would just go down a set of stairs, but we'll show that to you. Surfside neighborhood. There's the stairs that I talked about. Little shop up here. Sunshine and Sundries. Let's go check out the other side of Central Park. Some upscale shopping over here on the right-hand side. Fine watches and jewelry and stuff. Omegas, Breitling, Tag Heuer. Over here on my right is the Park Cafe. They have different foods here throughout the day. They do breakfast here. Not quite as busy as some of the other places, so good place to come and have breakfast, lunch, bagel bar. They're getting ready, fruits, different things. Some eating inside, or you can dine outside. Al fresco over here, if you like. Weather permitting, because we are open to the sky. There's some cover over on this side, but right here it's open to the sky. And we have our trestle bar right here. Trellis bar, excuse me, trellis bar. Did I say trestle? Trellis. And then last thing here in Central Park is their upscale steak place called Chops Grill. Like a good piece of meat, come to Chops Grill. Definitely a place you want to make reservations early. As you can see, the restaurant is not that large and very, very popular. So if you want a nice meal, this is something you want to make reservations for early before you get to the ship. There's a little dining out here too if you want to dine. The Pinnacle breakfast is in here. And that's it for Central Park, everybody. Right back where we started here at the forward elevators and stairs. Let us know what your favorite part of the Central Park is. For me, it's Chops, but I don't know, everybody's got their own tastes. Until we see you on another deck or another ship, y'all be safe. Ciao.